Let's talk about adjustment and direction. In Lean-Agile delivery, it is not just about moving fast. It's about making sure we are moving in the right direction at every level. Daily stand-ups help teams stay coordinated. Retrospectives help us reflect and improve. Sprint planning and show and tell help us get feedback, define short-term priorities, and deliver value at the feature or capability level. But these sprint-level iterations, while they are essential, are often too narrow to keep everyone strategically aligned, especially when you are working across multiple goals, teams, or stakeholders. That's where quarterly planning comes in. It is not a big ceremony. It is not a PI planning copy-paste. It's an additional iteration layer that gives teams the space to think beyond the sprint and stay connected to the bigger picture. So what is it then? It's a lightweight, flexible planning session that helps your product team define and align quarterly objectives like epics, capabilities, discovery and design work, and continuous improvement goals. It is where product teams and stakeholders take a step back and ask, are we still heading in the right direction? Do we have the capacity to deliver what matters most? What do we need to learn, explore, or improve? And what strategic objectives need to be adjusted or adapted based on what we have achieved and learned during the last quarter? Because in Lean-Agile, strategy shouldn't be static. It should evolve with learning. Quarterly planning helps us make that happen consistently. Now, you might be thinking, isn't this just the Scaled Agile Framework's PI planning event? No, and let's clarify that. First of all, PI planning is designed for ARTs, Agile Release Trains, coordinating multiple teams working together on a shared backlog. It's a formal, structured, and built for scale. Quarterly planning, on the other hand, is designed for any product team, no matter the size. Even a single team benefits from stepping back once every quarter to reconnect with strategic goals and set clear objectives. So, while PI planning's main objective is to manage dependencies, quarterly planning's main objective is to reflect and adapt strategic objectives. Here is what makes it different. Who is it for? Quarterly planning works even for solo product teams. PI planning assumes multiple teams and shared dependencies. What it delivers? Quarterly planning aligns the team around strategic objectives, not just features, but capability, work, discovery efforts, and improvement initiatives. PI planning focuses primarily on feature and epic delivery. How it works? Quarterly planning gives teams the flexibility to run the session in a way that works for them. No fixed agenda, just clear expected outcomes. PI planning follows a strict two-day format with standard ceremonies, business value scoring, and dependency mapping. So, if you are using Lean-Scrum or the Lean-Agile Practitioner Toolkit, quarterly planning is your bridge between long-term strategy and short-term delivery. It creates a continuous alignment loop between stakeholders, teams, and the organization. So your delivery stays focused, your product roadmap stays relevant, and your team stays empowered. In the next video, we'll explore the team backlog and team roadmap. We'll try to explain how teams take those quarterly objectives and break them down into actionable stories and deliverables. Until then, keep your planning purposeful, your teams aligned, and your focus where it matters most, delivering value to your users.